Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will show you how to do the factory reset to your Moto Z. This operation can be helpful if you doesn't remember the password to your phone or just the software doesn't work properly. So first of all, you need to power off your device. Be sure to charge up the battery before the operation. And now press and hold volume down and power button together. Press and hold. Still holding. Release power. Release volume down. And now choose by pressing volume down, recovery mode. Press it. And now wait until you see the small logo of Android. We have it. Now press and hold volume power button and single press on volume up. Voila, release all button. And now choice by pressing volume down, option wipe data factory reset, accept by power, and click on yes. User data and personalized content. Power button for accept. Now phone gonna be resetting all data from the phone. Now click reboot system now. And phone will wake up without any password on your phone. Remember, the phone gonna delete all your data from your phone also too. So, I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and see you by next video. Hey!